Websites today are no longer an address on your visiting card, but a very important marketing tool. Facebooks might come and go, Instagrams might come and go, TikToks might come and go, but one thing is for sure that is going to stay till your business is there is your website. So whenever we talk about building a website, designing a website, for a real estate agent, there are two types of people. There are two types of agents, I would say. One is the person who says, oh my god, I don't need an expensive custom design website for me. Why do I need one when I have so many options of getting a quick and a cheap website? Why do I need to spend fortune on a custom designed and a custom built website? No, I don't need to. At the same time, there's another set of people who understand the importance of a personal website, of a personalized website, of a customized website, of a website built specially tailored for you. Yes, you need to understand the importance of the same. And why I say is this, because websites today are no longer an address on your visiting card, but a very important marketing tool. Facebooks might come and go, Instagrams might come and go, TikToks might come and go, but one thing is for sure that is going to stay till your business is there is your website. So when your website is going to be there until your business exists, how can you compromise with it? And in today's time, when most of the businesses have come online, when the home buyers are online, when people looking for properties are looking for you online, what makes you not be online? And when I say you online, it should be the real you online. It should not be the templated you online. It should not be the copy pasted you online. It should be the genuine you, the 100% tailor made you. It should be you. And which is why we are going to come, which is what brings me to the next point, that is, how can you build a personal website that can give you the growth, that can give you the height that you want for yourself, that is generate leads for you, generate inquiries for you, build your personal brand, build a brand awareness for you, and also build credibility for you. What? Is that true? Can we have so many things done in one website? One website that builds my credibility, one website that does brand awareness for me, one website that helps me improve my personal brand, and the same website also does lead generation for me. Is that really possible? I would say yes, it is. It is absolutely possible. You just need to take care of a few things that I'm going to tell you in the next few minutes, and if you take care of these, it is for sure that you will be having a good, a wonderful, a successful business, and your website will be the most important part, will be the most important marketing tool for you. And you are going to realize it soon once you implement the next few points that I'm going to tell you. So you need to make sure that your website today is highly optimized for mobile, highly optimized for all the devices, from mobiles to iPads to laptops to desktops. Your website is highly optimized. Number two is the content that is there on the website is valuable. People who come to the website want to read it. It is not some copy pasted content, or it is not something written by a content writer which maybe even you won't understand, which even you would be surprised, oh, this is something on my website? I never wrote this, or we don't do this. That's not my values, or that's not our mission. No, the content should be yours. The content should once again be you, and the content should be valuable so that people get some value out of it. That is what is today. That is how the Google algorithms, that is how the Facebook algorithms, or the Instagram algorithm, or the TikTok algorithm works. They are looking for relevant content, content that people are engaging with, content that is making people stay on the platform. So you need to make sure that when people come to your website, you have enough relevant content so that people stay on your platform, your personal platform, and that is your website. You are making sure that your website is search optimized so that you quickly start getting organic traffic from your website, from your local the local searches that are happening around, local businesses or local people who are searching for you online. You get on the top. Then what you can also do is make sure that people are coming to your website. So one of the way to get people on your website is via the organic media, that is the organic SEO that we say, and the other way is by using paid ads, and the third way is by using your website links on your social media profiles, and then be highly active on those social media profiles. So when you do this, and what more can you do? So you can add lead magnets to your website. What are these lead magnets? So the lead magnets are some things that you are offering to your clients or your prospective customers for free, like a 3-day session on something, a 3-hour or a white paper, or something that you are offering to your prospective customers for free, and you ask them to sign up, give their email ID, their phone number, so that you can get in touch with them later. So you do a lead magnet, and then what you can also do is add a call to action. This is very, very, very important. What exactly do you want your people, your customers, your clients to do when they are on your website? Do you want them to call you? Do you want them to schedule a call with you, schedule a consultation with you, schedule a meeting with you, email you? Whatever you want them to do, that has to be there, displayed there prominently everywhere on your website with the help of CTAs. We call it call to action buttons. If you take care of all the above, you will make sure that you are winning in this game of being online, finding leads online, getting inquiries online. When others are struggling, you will be winning. When others are still finding out ways to get clients, get leads, you are already playing the winning game, a game that you will win. You just need to make sure that you are doing these things right, and you also need to make sure that you are creating a lot of content. When people are sleeping, when people are taking rest, when people are doing nothing, when people are watching Netflix or some videos or some news, you are creating content. When people are wasting time, you are creating content. When people are not doing anything or doing some gossip or doing something, you are live on your social media. This will drive the traffic to your website as well. Your activity on social media will drive the traffic back to your website. So make sure that you are hyperactive, I would say, on social media. Do not give an excuse that you are very busy or you are so occupied. And if you say that you are so occupied, then is it that you do not need any new clients? If you need new clients, you need to have a good website, a customized website, a personalized website, and you need to be creating a lot of content. You need to be creating a lot of content. Be very, very, very active on social media, because that is the place where your people are. That is the place where your customers are. Even if you are into some B2B segment, or you think that the businesses are not online, but the people conducting the businesses are online. They are spending a lot of time online, and if you are not meeting them online, if you are not catching them when they have loosened or they have left their guards and they are sitting on their couch watching something, and you are not there, you will not be anywhere in their life. So make sure that you are present everywhere, on all social media platforms, on your website, on the emails, everywhere, and you will see the difference for yourself. See it for yourself. Have a good day. Bye-bye.